Hi! In front of me is Honor 20E, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard with an image on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose System, Language and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and finally Themes. Then click on Custom over here and tap on Start. Now you need to click on Add Image and select Photo after tapping on Allow that you wish to apply. I will go with that one. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, adjust background darkness by swiping left or right and tap on Done at the top right corner. Now you can enable or disable symbols and keyboarders by tapping on the switchers here, and when you're ready, just save at the top right corner. And now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!